Bruh, you have to be kidding me, bruh. Alright, now, I'm not gonna edit this video, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna rant. I'm not gonna do none of the wild stuff. But we have to talk, bruh. Today, I have gotten numerous DMs. First off, I got a DM today from somebody hit me up telling me that people were shooting at Cumberland Mall. Now, for my people who know, I go to Cumberland Mall all the time. That's like one of my favorite spots to go shop at, whatever. It's in a good area. If you live in Atlanta, you know Smyrna, that Marietta area is a great area. Shots was fired today. What is today? Of course, the release of the Air Jordan Bred 11s. 1 second. Shoes. Right here. Air Jordan Bred 11s. Bruh. They're not worth shooting. They're not worth killing. I still can't believe that after all these years of all these 11s dropping, people are still doing the same stuff. It's over 2 million pairs of Air Jordan Bred 11s. Why on earth are we shooting each other, bro? Like, DTLR did something to where all you had to do was donate a toy. Any toy. You could have got a Funko Pop, went to DTLR, and had a pair guaranteed. Guaranteed. You could have guaranteed a shoe for just donating a $8.99 toy. A toy for $10. Now, that's just one case. It's another case out there in St. Louis where people were shooting at a mall, man. And that's just like the spots that I know. It's so many other spots that don't even get reported and stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? When I see stuff like this, bruh, it hurts me because, I mean, I'm in the community. Whether y'all want to call it a community or not, you know, it's something. And at the end of the day, I can only imagine my mom and my brother, my cousins at a mall shopping, Christmas shopping. It's holiday time, bro. You got so many people at the mall right now not even going for a shoe. And when people just reckless shooting and at the mall, bro, like, it's so much room for error. Innocent people can get hit and all for what? $220 plus tax at the most, $250. Is that worth taking a life? Is that worth even shooting, firing a gun, showing a gun? Like, what you even got to show a gun for? Now, as I said in my review or my pickup vlog, one of the videos, I can't even think right now. My mom called me early in the morning like, yo, it's hundreds of people outside. I know a shoe must be dropping. What shoe? My mom don't know shoes or nothing like that. She know I do. So she called me. And I got like this funny feeling like, yo, I bet money. Y'all all know if anybody, you know, ever camp for a shoe, you know, it's always like that group of guys that come with 20 people. He pay them to stand in line, or he got personal bodies to stand in line for him or whatever. And that always causes friction, you know. Oh, you know what I'm saying? He jumped the line, or he wasn't here, he wasn't there. I've been there before. I've been like before YouTube, before people knew who I was in the line. I used to be behind people who cut, used to bring up other people. I understand that can get under people's skin because, I mean, bro, you out there all night. You freezing cold. Like, you just trying to make sure you get your shoes, and there's nothing wrong with that. I don't look down upon nobody that's out there camping. I'm not high and mighty because I'm not in lines no more. It's not like that. I did for a long time. But my thing is, I've been jumped in line before. You know what I'm saying? I've never thought about taking somebody's life because they got an extra shoe, because they backdoored a pair. I've been in lines where somebody, you know what I'm saying, jumped the line. I'm like, yo, bro, like, you know what I'm saying, what's up? It never escalated to the point where that happens, you know. And now you got to think about it. Nowadays, when you go to camp out for shoes, you got to bring a gun. Because you got people robbing the line, people that's in the line that's plotting on robbing if they don't get a pair. It's crazy, man. To see what's going on, it's crazy because they just shoes. At the end of the day, just like we look around, it's just a pair of shoes. It's so wild. I just want y'all to just be safe. By the time this video goes up, I think all the Bred 11 hunting will be over. But just in case it's not, if people picking up extra pairs, it be dudes in the parking lot lurking, just in the whip, waiting to see who got the most bags, headed back to the crib, or, you know, headed back to the car. And they'll really do some things that makes no freaking sense, man. And believe me, I'm from that area, right? I grew up, born and raised, you know what I'm saying, from Cleveland, east side of Cleveland. And I seen a lot of this stuff happen in my own neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even going to hold you. It's not like I ain't come from that. I know that. But I can say even when I was in that area and I was in that environment, it was still wrong, bro. I wasn't saying it was right just because I was a part of that. So I get it. It's holiday time, people stomach touching, and everybody just trying to better their situation, but that's not right. What's going on is crazy. It's just a shoe. It's just a shoe. This is plastic, bro. It's plastic. It's mesh. It's nothing. It's not worth killing somebody over. You know what I'm saying? I just don't even know where to stop or begin. I guess I'm gonna just stop the video. I don't really want to make this too long. I'm not gonna edit it, or maybe I'm gonna just edit the part where I grab the shoe. But this is wild. I pray all my people that was up at Cumberland Mall are safe. I know people, and that's the thing. Like, I know people that was at that mall. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy George. We did a video over on Hollis channel. We went to the Outlet vlog together. Y'all say he look like Saquon Barkley. If y'all remember him, he was at Cumberland when shots was fired. So, like, imagine if my friend would have got shot. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's real. Like, I don't really think people take these situations into account until, like, it's your mom, it's your brother, your sister, and I don't want it to be that. But, you know, it's just sad. Because people just out here just trying to buy a pair of shoes. It could have been me. It could be you. And that's what I'm saying. People can see me like, yo, that's Snipe. You know what I'm saying? I know you got something in the bag. Right? And try to kill you for a pair of shoes. It could be you. Everybody that watch my channel, y'all buy shoes. Y'all like shoes. At any moment, you know, we out here holiday shopping. Crime is going up because of it. And you could be walking back to your car and something crazy could happen. Randomly, you know, like I said, Cumberland Mall is not a bad mall. That's in a great area. Marietta is a great area. That's like one of the richer areas in Atlanta. Cumberland Mall is a great mall, but it still happens. You know what I'm saying? And it's just wild, bro. It's just wild. I remember stuff like this happening for the Breds, Cool Grays, but it was so long ago. I thought we was over that. I just thought so many pair, so easy to get. You know, I just thought maybe, just maybe, you know, we was over that. But I obviously see we not at the end of the day. I don't know, man. It's just too much to even think about. Even when I came back home, they still had pairs loaded up on Nike sneakers. Which means now it just comes down to the point where people are just, my bad, my phone was ringing, I had to turn it off, but now it just come down to the point where people just, they don't even want to buy it, you know, because it's there to buy. Now it's like, oh yeah, okay, cool, we can buy it, but I'd rather take it. Well, I don't know the situation at every mall, so I don't want to speak like I was there, but I mean, you can imagine, you know, and even if it was like, it's just a shoe. Even if it was a different situation, like I was saying earlier, man, it's just a shoe. It's just a shoe. And I don't want to ramble. I don't want to preach too much. I know y'all already say I preach a lot. But I just want to say, man, I love y'all, man, from the bottom of my heart, bro. I don't know everybody that watch my channel. I don't get to touch and dap everybody up. But I do love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I just want to make sure y'all be safe whenever y'all camping, going to the mall. Be on your P's and Q's, man. Know your surroundings. Bring people with you. Even for my ladies. I have a lot of ladies that watch my channel. It's dangerous sometimes for y'all to go alone sneaker hunting. Bring your husband, bring your wife, bring your whoever. Just don't go alone, man, because there's so much crazy stuff happening. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want nothing to happen to nobody. You know me. But I guess, man, that shit crazy, man. Shots fired, people getting shot, people pulling out guns for the Air Jordan Bred 11. I don't know, man. Get in the comments. Hopefully everybody's safe. Let me know what y'all think about this. Until next time, man, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.